Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on background video in Disney Plus. By turning on the background video, this basically allows for videos to play in the background of the landing page throughout the app, right? So how you do that is simple. Over your account once you sign into Disney Plus, and just go down to where it says edit profiles, and you want to choose the profile that you want to enable that for and open it. Scroll down and you'll find background video. You turn this on, it's going to basically update, and of course once you're done, you can just easily click and done on the upper right. Now once you sign into your profile or go back to home, you'll be able to see background video plays throughout the account, right? So just keep an eye out for that, but you need to basically have this played. And one of the good thing that you can do is also enable autoplay as well if you want that, but it's really up to you if you want to have this feature on in the account or not. But that's basically it, guys. Just log in, go to your account, edit the profile, and of course you can turn on the background video and also autoplay. But that's pretty much it, guys.